Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be diving right into how to set up and use the employee feedback system on teamwork.com, your full 2025 guide. First off, you'll want to log into your Teamwork account. Simple but crucial. This is your gateway to maximizing your team's productivity and performance. Next up, navigate to the dashboard. You'll find this on the upper left-hand side. This is where you access all the main features of Teamwork, including the employee feedback system. Now that we've done that, let's click on Feedback, located under the Apps section. The reason we do this is to enter the feedback application where all the magic happens. This is where you'll be able to view, manage, and analyze employee feedback. Once you're in, it's time to set up your feedback form. Click on Create New Form. The importance of this step cannot be overstated. This is where you'll customize the questions that best suit your team's feedback needs. After you've crafted your questions, it's time to assign the feedback form to your team members. Click on Assign Form, select the employees, and hit Send. This helps us because it allows you to distribute the form to the specific team members you want feedback from. Lastly, after the feedback has been received, it's crucial to analyze it for insights. Click on View Responses. This is your opportunity to understand your team's thoughts, ideas, and suggestions, which is central to fostering a healthy, productive work environment. In conclusion, setting up and using the employee feedback system on teamwork.com is a straightforward process that can yield powerful results for your team's dynamics and productivity. Thank you for tuning in, and remember,